So I wanted to go over the plan a little bit for this piece. I knew I wanted to do like a panoramic scene, and I knew I wanted to capture Seminyak Beach, and for me that's a lot of beanbags and umbrellas. I also love the light in the middle of the day when it's all very bright and the sand's bright and the sky's bright and it's all reflecting off the water. With the ocean, I found this, which is an old rice bag. The images come off, but the metallic is still left there. And I paint the ocean, get this beautiful reflection on the horizon. And then with the sand, cement bags, because they have just got the perfect color and texture for the sand. But I also found this piece the other day, so I'm gonna splice some of that in there as well. So that's sort of where my head's at. Looking from afar, I need to use smaller pieces in the water to give a better illusion of dimension. I need a greater perspective change. At the moment, this is all the same size as this, so there's no depth of field, there's no perspective, there's no illusion. Okay, so that's what I've got to do now. The end. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the creative process that went into making Seminyak at high noon. I'm constantly inspired by my surroundings and in my own way try to capture the beauty and energy of what I see in my artworks. And I love taking you on these video journeys with me. All my links are in the description for close-up images or sales inquiries. Until next time, stay creative and be kind to the environment.